Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and ZIP archives on a NOKIA X10. And to do this, first let's open up the RAR app we've shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's find the pictures I just took and let's pack them into a RAR file. So select each of the file, click on this plus button, and right here you need to, or you don't need to actually change any archiving options. So pick a different name, extension, and etc. There's a lot of settings, so just experiment with them, but it's not necessary to change them. So I'm just gonna pick a different name and click OK to pack our file, and here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.